Hi friends, what an honor to receive this great good news that among the 500 nominations that I was lucky to be selected to receive the World Greatness Award for 2020 in London, United Kingdom on 15th August 2020. With a lot of humility, I accept this nomination and thank Professor Patrick Musingi and my mentor, Sir Dr. Clyde Rivers. It is great to serve humanity, and I will continue doing humanitarian work because I've seen little efforts that you do, people do recognize. Above all, God in heaven sees this. I thank my mother for having brought me up, telling me that you have to serve humanity, you have to make friends, because service to humanity is service to God. I have to say that it's true now that I am created in the image and likeness of God. I have the character of God. I must be able to serve humanity who are in a crisis, particularly this time of COVID-19. I'm looking forward to be London Calm, 15th August 2020. To Patrick Musingi and the management of Greatness University, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will do my very best by the help of God to continue serving humanity now that my efforts have been recognized. Thank you so much.